Hello everyone. In this video we will see a new exercise in QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the chart type in QlikView. So we can change the chart type. So there are different charts available. Bar chart, pie chart. So if you have created one chart, for example bar chart is being created, so we can change it with the help of one function which is known as pass type. So let us see. So this is the wizard. So we have to connect with the database first. So I'll select the database named as this office city sales. Then click on open. So next step we have to follow. So these are the steps which we have to follow. Then click on next. So I want to use the column headers. So these are the column headers. So if you don't want, you can go with the second. So this enables that the upper field will be given as ABC name and then column headers will be at the bottom. So I want to use column headers from the data point. So same, click on next. Now I'll save this as click, say this is click 10, save. Click on next step. So basic thing is that I'll select the chart tab as bar chart. Select the dimension. Dimension means there will be alphabets. Text it. So I'll select this as territory. And I'll choose it as office sales. Calculated expression means there will be numeric data. Numbers. So I'll click on next step. So I just want to display this particular list boxes. In this particular list boxes, market size. Whatever will be the field name, it will be displayed. Click on create. So this is nothing but the territory in which this is being displayed. So if I want to go to this particular chart, what I have done is see it carefully. I have right click on new sheet object, then click on this particular chart. Now whatever which we want to do. So over here you can see a option named as fast type. Now this is the bar chart. I can convert it to line chart. I can convert it to pie chart. I click on next. So I click on this finish. I'll repeat the step once again. Go to the chart first. Click on the right click. Then click on the properties. Go to the fast type change. Select any one of the chart which you want. So line chart I will select and pie chart I will select. Click on apply and OK. So you can find one tab which is created in this particular chart type. So fast change is there. So this is known as fast type change. Click on this. So it will get converted to line chart. Then if you again click on this, it will get converted to pie chart. In this way we can use this fast type change and we can change over the charts if you want. So this is the simple thing. So by clicking on this button, fast change, we can change the chart type. So I hope you have understood how to change the chart type by using fast type change. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.